Hi, my name is Umar from Roadplan. So today my 2 second lean is I'm going to do something with this because we are using fan, so we plug it with this. When we unplug, so when we do it like this, oh, so wire is gone. So then this computer is like disconnect with internet. So then we are plugging in, so we're wasting time to on the computer, and also it's not safe for us. So see you on the next video. Thank you. Now this will be also making a noise. Please, please. So, Umar, David, welcome back. So we use it Elcro for this plug. So now it's safe, not filling down, and we are using for our fan, and really nice. So
Yeah. Thank you always for the help.
yeah, thanks. The combined effort.
You're welcome. Good job, guys.
Thanks. Thank you.